This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. Happy holidays, everyone. I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be showing you what to do with all those holiday leftovers and making the ultimate turkey sandwich. That's right. This thing has everything that you love about the holidays encompassed into one sandwich. So what I have here is some beautiful sourdough bread that we cooked on the RT700 using those Kingsford Pellets, a little leftover turkey breast we cooked on the RT590, and those awesome Kingsford Pellets. We got some brie cheese, cranberries, some of that delicious, delicious green bean casserole. We got a little cornbread dressing, some mashed potatoes and gravy, a little bit of blue plate mayonnaise, and last but certainly not least, that Colden's Freakin Greek. We're going to slice our bread right in half, right? So let's call this the north end of the bread, and we'll call that the south end of the bread right here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go north to south or south to north, right? Giving yourself two awesome halves like this. Okay, next step, we're going to take our mayonnaise, our blue plate, specifically blue plate mayonnaise, and we're just going to put a little healthy amount. Mayonnaise is a great chef's secret when making a turkey sandwich because it adds a lot of moisture to your sandwich. So we're going to make sure we cover all sides. Perfect. Now I'm going to take our mashed potatoes and our gravy, and we're going to put this on the bottom of our bread. Excellent. Now, I'm going to take some of my Colden's Freakin Greek. We're just going to go ahead and season this, because I don't know where you get your bread and your mayonnaise and your mashed potatoes from, but mine don't come pre-seasoned. Right? So now we have that beautiful base, okay? So the next step, we're going to take the green bean casserole, and we're just going to spread a little green bean casserole on here, right? Finish placing that on the bottom half, right on top of those mashed potatoes. Looks great. Now I have some delicious cornbread dressing. We're going to put this on the top half. Man, this is going to be good, gonna be good. Turkey sandwich gonna be good. Guys, I would love to know, what are some of your favorite holiday leftover recipes? Put it in the comments section. Who knows? Maybe it'll be the next thing that I make. So now we have our mayonnaise, we have our mashed potatoes and gravy, we have our green bean casserole, our cornbread dressing, Colden's Freakin Greek all over the top of it, right? We're going to take our turkey. I'm just going to slice this turkey up. Now I like thin slices on my sandwich, that way it's easier to tear. You can see that recteq and Kingsford blend together did an awesome job on this turkey. See that smoke? Rings. So now we're just going to lay this out. Beautiful. All right. Now, last but certainly not least, we have a little bit of brie cheese that I sliced up and some cranberries. So the brie cheese is really just going to make this all nice and melty and delicious. So we're just going to take some sliced brie. We're going to put it over the top. And then we're just going to take some cranberries right on top of the brie. Man, this thing looks great. And now we top it. Ooh. Yeah, it's big. It's real big. All right, now that we have it all topped and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and throw this on the RT340 at 325 degrees. We're just going to let that brie melt and get oozy-goozy and let everything warm up so nice. Come on, let's go on out to the deck. Man, this ultimate turkey sandwich came out perfect. Now there's just a couple things I'm going to do. We're going to go ahead and skewer it right down the middle. This is going to help it stay together as we slice it up. It's perfect. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to recteq's YouTube page for awesome content like this and so much more. Man, I can't wait to dig into this sandwich, guys. I hope you guys have an awesome, merry, non-forgettable holidays with the ones you love. I'm Chef John saying quality of food is quality of life. We'll see you at the recteq. Jody, I got your sandwich, boy.